Why thumbnails are not uploading on YouTube. Thumbnail is the first thing that catches a viewer's eyes, and hence every creator prefers a customized thumbnail. Banking on this YouTube Smartly allows thumbnail customization only after your channel is verified. Follow these steps to verify your account. Click on the Creator Studio tab on your profile. Go to View Additional Features. Click on Verify. YouTube will ask you to provide your mobile number. Once verified, YouTube will allow you to customize your thumbnails. Hope this solves your problem.